Alright, I'm going to show you how to eat dippy eggs the right way then. So you get your dippy eggs and your toast in that, and you break your toast, you take your toast in there. Well, that toast's pretty dull there, so I gotta use a fork to break it open. But there we go. These are dippy eggs. So you gotta dip your toast in there in that. And this toast is it's gotta be crispy. It's gotta be crispy toast. It can't be soggy. If you have soggy toast, you're eating warm bread. It's gross. You don't want that. So then you take this part of the egg here. Okay, this is how you eat with dippy eggs. You dip that in there, and then you eat it. Oh geez, I dropped it. But eventually you just eat the whole thing with the toast. So, that's right.